My name is Nikhil. I have an experience of 7 years. So basically, I was working as a senior analyst in a fintech company as a German language expert. Previously, I have certifications in Lean Six Sigma on Green Belt and Black Belt, and I am much interested in Agile. I thought of changing my career and upskill myself. While exploring the Google, I found StarAgile. After checking with StarAgile, I have joined Certified Scrum Master course. So my trainer is Chetan Babbar, who is well experienced. He'll try to understand who is on which level. He started from not even from A in Scrum, even below that, even holding our hands and giving the basic idea of what Agile is, what Scrum is. Small, tiny, basic things also he used to take care. And I used to follow Sir's notes. And along with that, he used to provide few links where we can spend extra time for gaining knowledge, for understanding the perspectives. What is being followed in our organization, if any people are related to Agile, how they used to see it, how the process is being followed in their organization. And followed by I've also joined one more course called Safe 6.0 Agilist, which is also a Scrum Master related course, but that is on enterprise level. Based on Sir's recommendation, I have joined it, and in addition to CSM certification, I got the Safe 6.0 Agilist. And Sir, every second week, he'll ask us to present resume in the session. He'll correct the resume if there is any mistakes or any changes to be made, and we used to upload it in the job sites like LinkedIn or Naukri. And I've chosen weekend batch. After fourth week, I've started getting calls. Sir, make us visualize what happens on the real-time basis of in an organization if we have joined a deep level of understanding, real-time scenarios, what is the current trend, what is the words, the buzzwords or the vocabulary they use, so that it will be easy for us to revise. So finally, I think I have joined the Scrum Master Interview Bootcamp at the end of October, and by December first week, I have received my offer letter. Not only that, I have also received calls, nearly 10 to 15 calls. I have attended nearly 2 to 3 interviews, which from very large organizations. But finally, I have chosen one. I had a choice to select between the organizations. That was the benefit I got from the Scrum Master Interview Bootcamp. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Check out the CSM course by industry-leading experts. Register now on the StarAgile website. Check out the link in the description.